Right now we are in the Ferrari Museum in Modena, and you see right here we have the Ferrari Dino 206 GT. This is a Ferrari Dino. It's a bit sunny in here, so it's kind of difficult to film. We have some engines here, as you can see, some engines. This one here is a Ferrari GTO Evolution. And then we have these engines here. This looks like a V8. Another one here. Just go around the other side here. V8, 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 4.3 litre V8, 4.5 litre V8. Then we have another car, 360 GTC. Then we have more engines here. V12. God, look at this V12 here. 6 cylinders here on this bank, 6 cylinders, and another 6 of course on the other bank. This is an engine here, V12, 5 litre, 1984. Amazing engine there, amazing. And another V12, 6 litre, amazing engine, 6.262 V12. Now we have another car, F-150. This is a Ferrari F-150. As you can see, race car. V12 6.262 F-150 2013. Then we go over here, We have another one. And 1985, this is 1985 V6. And then more engines. 1974 3-litre V12. 1990 3.5 V12. And another car here.